95% of young people are born in poverty. But I'm telling you that it's not your fault that you're born in poverty. Had it been you had a chance to choose, I'm telling you, you wouldn't want to choose to be born in poverty. But you can actually choose to remain there or to get out of it. That's why in today's video, I want to share with you step by step how I got out of poverty so that you can copy me and then embrace abundance into your lifestyle. Okay? I need you to know that poverty is just a word, a term that defines a certain degree of level of something, or maybe absence of something or anything it could be. Okay? Poverty is not your definition of who you are. Poverty is not where you come from. Okay? That's not just what poverty means. I'm going to share with you exactly how you can change from not having enough to begin to have enough, from not seeing any opportunities to begin to see opportunities. Personally, in my personal life, I know what it means to not have anything. Okay, so do not think I'm trying to copy or anything. Okay, I need you to understand that these principles are very, very simple. So whatever you live in India, you live in South Africa, you live in Nigeria, they apply to you. The first thing that you need to know is that poverty or abundance ties to your mindset. Poverty or rich is tied to your mindset. So if you say, "Oh, I'm not rich. Oh, I don't have any money," it's not because you're not actually rich. Maybe there might be the absence of that thing in your hand, but the mindset that you're giving yourself is what limits you to where you are. Because definitely, in a 10-meter walk away from you, there's someone that has all of it. In just a few 5 minutes drive away from you, there's someone that has all of it. Okay, I want you to know that the people that you need to help you in life, they are just 10 calls away from you. They're just 10 meters away from you. They are just maybe 5 minutes drive away from you. So why not go and meet them and find? See, it's all about your mindset. Your mindset is everything. But how do you switch your mindset from scarcity to abundance? The only way you can switch your mindset from scarcity to abundance is to practice 5 habits that I'm going to share with you. But the three are the most important. The first habit that you can practice is what I call gratitude. You need to be grateful for everything that you have in your life. Gratitude is what attracts everything that you want in your life to you. Gratitude is the most understated thing that everybody should practice if you want to achieve abundance, because it's the one thing that ties your mindset. If you are not so thankful of the life that you have, of the happiness and everything that you have, be thankful for the people that you have around you. It is very, very important. The next thing that you need, okay, is what I call humility. Humility is very, very important. A very, very important habit that you need if you want to get out of poverty very, very fast. A lot of people that are very poor, they are very, very ungrateful, they are very, very proud, and they don't have the patience or the gracefulness to be around people that know better than them. They're always talking all the time. They don't have the graciousness to listen and learn from other people. That's why they are still stuck in poverty. The third habit that you need is kindness. You need to learn how to be kind. You need to learn how to let go of things. Maybe you have something precious, learn to give out to people, okay? It opens the door of abundance to you, okay? I'm telling you that everything that you do counts. Everything counts. Never think that whatever you do does not count, or that people do not notice. Even if people do not notice, the universe notices, God notices, and is going to reward you for it. So I need you to understand that poverty or success is tied to your mindset. And until I change my mindset from scarcity to abundance, I began to see changes in my life, and I'm telling you, you might not see the changes immediately, but I'm telling you definitely, as you keep on going in the process, you're going to receive all the things that you want in your life. I know these things might sound very strange to you, but it's the true reality. And your reality comes from what you see in your mindset. Because if you cannot see it in your mind, you cannot have it in your life. If you cannot see things happening in your mindset, you can never achieve it in reality. I hope this makes sense to you, and I'm going to see you in another video.